Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Fumibi here again with another natural hair care related video. Right, in today's video we are not styling, we are not caring, we are just talking. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be sharing all my favorite gels when it comes to slicking down fussy natural hair. So I know a lot of people have different opinions when it comes to natural hair, especially fussy natural hair, right? And yeah, that's fine, that's allowed. But in today's video I'm going to be talking based off of something I mentioned in a previous video where I was sharing tips and tricks for people that are just starting their natural hair journey. In that video I spoke about edges, right, and your hair in general. So I mentioned that I was going to make a video concerning my favorite gels for slicking down fussy natural hair. In this game I've used quite a lot of gels, and I feel like I can share useful information when it comes to gel, right? I know not everybody cares for gel, but me personally, I'm a gel lover. I love gel, and I'm sure if you are very frequent on my channel, you know that I love gel. So yeah, in today's video we are going to be talking all about gels for slicking down your fussy natural hair. So if you've been interested in knowing some of my favorite gels so far, make sure you watch this video to the end, and yeah, let's get right into it. All right guys, so before we get right into it, if this is your first time of seeing me, hi there, my name is Fumibi. I make videos about natural hair care, wig styling, natural hair tutorials, right? I do a bunch of different things. I also vlog on this channel. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. Also tap the bell notification right beside the subscribe button. That bell is supposed to let you know every single time I post a new video. Like I've been saying, right, from all my previous videos, if you've been catching up, I'm on my way to 500 subscribers and I need your help with attaining that goal on this channel. So please make sure you smash the subscribe button, okay? Don't forget. Also, if at the end of the video you found this video useful, or even right now, if you've been enjoying my face and my voice, make sure you smash the like button. Let me know that you enjoyed watching. Also, feel free to share with your friends and family, your mom, your sister, your cousin, your nephew, your niece, everybody that cares about hair, everybody around you that you feel like would love content like this. Please make sure you share this video with them. All right, now that I'm done with that my preamble adverts, let's get right into it. So the first gel I'm going to be sharing with you is something that I've been using for years now, right? This particular gel is something I've been using for years, and I feel like every single person, right, or a lot of people use this gel. So the gel I'm talking about is this my Eco Styler gel. So this is not the one I normally use, but it's Eco Styler, right? The one I normally use is the olive oil one, but I recently got this argan oil one and I like it. I like Eco Styler, right? When it comes to my edges now, it doesn't really slick down my edges as much as I would love, but for my hair in general, especially for hairstyles like this particular one that I'm wearing currently, Eco Styler usually comes through for me. So yeah, this is a fantastic gel, right? I know people have reservations about this particular gel, but for me personally and my hair, I don't have any issues with this gel. So yeah, this gel right here is the first one I'll be sharing with you guys. So I'm sharing in no particular order, right? This doesn't mean that this is the best gel ever. I'm just sharing based off of what I have here with me and how I feel about each and every single one of these gels. So yeah, Eco Styler does it for me. It sticks down my hair. In general, it doesn't have a strong hold when it comes to my edges. I'm going to share my favorite gel for my edges as we go along in this video, but for my hair in general, when it comes to slicking down my hair, this right here does it for me. The next gel I'll be sharing with you guys is this one I found at the beauty supply store a while back. This Darmagrow Activator Moisturizer Gel. This gel actually really does moisturize your hair, and that's probably why I like to use it in conjunction with something else, right? I don't like to use it alone because it really moisturizes your hair and it doesn't give me that strong hold that I'm always looking for when it comes to my hair, right? But for moisturization and slicking your hair, especially if you don't have a fussy hair in particular, if you have like looser curls, this right here is going to do it for you, and it's not going to make your hair feel crusty or dry or leave any form of, you know, what they call these things now. It doesn't leave any white mark on your hair. Basically, this right here is a fantastic gel. This Darmagrow Activator Moisturizer Gel. The next gel I'm going to be sharing with you all is this XHC, this one right here, this XHC Hair Gel. This gel is really affordable, right? The first time I saw it, I was kind of skeptical about buying it, but I was with my friend and she was like, oh, this gel is actually really good, and she has a fussy natural hair as well. So I figured, okay, if she likes it, it's probably going to work for my hair. And so far I must say that it's been doing it for me. It moisturizes your hair as well. It doesn't make your hair feel dry or crusty, and it doesn't leave any white residue on your hair. It does a great job. And what is maybe 800 or so, at least here in Port Harcourt. I usually get it for 800 or 1000. It's not more than 1000. But yeah, this gel in particular, it's really, really good. So if you're looking to get an affordable gel that doesn't leave any white residue on your hair and leaves your hair feeling really, really good, this right here is something you should consider. The next set of items I'm going to be talking about are braiding gels. Now, so when I say braiding gels, I mean gels that you use for slicking down your hair when trying to braid your hair. So if you want to do your flat twist or your cornrows or your single twist and single braids, now these gels, right, they usually come through for you. And the first one I'm going to be sharing, I'm sure you guys already know, is my Shine and Jam, right? My Shine and Jam braiding gel. This right here is fantastic for my braids. I don't braid my hair without this, right? This right here, it helps to, especially if you're looking to get clean, very, very clean parts, this right here really, really comes through for you. Like, it's fantastic with creating awesome braids and just clean, like aesthetically pleasing braids and twists and stuff. If you want your braids and your twists to look really, really good, this right here is something you should make sure you have with you on standby. So yeah, this right here is fantastic. The next item in the family of this Shine and Jam braiding gel, that something that is sort of like a substitute for it if you can't get it or if you cannot afford it, because Shine and Jam for a braiding gel is kind of pricey, but this particular one is way cheaper. But yeah, this is it anyway. This is the hair wax I'm talking about. I don't think it has a name, they just call it hair wax. This right here is very, very popular here in Nigeria. A lot of people use it here, and I think I've shared with you in a previous vlog where the whole story of how I got this particular hair wax. And for me personally, it's okay. It's not as good as Shine and Jam in my opinion, right? Because yeah, it doesn't slick down your hair as well. It doesn't give you the amount of hold that Shine and Jam gives you, but this right here can pass for a substitute. If you're looking for something very cheap that you don't want to spend too much of your coins on, this right here will come through for you. It's also great for your twists, your braids, your cornrows, your flat twists, and all of that. This right here is going to come through for you with clean parts and just sticking down your hair while trying to achieve those types of hairstyles. The next item I'm going to be sharing with you is my favorite item, right, when it comes to slicking down my edges. I just started using this particular brand, and so far I love it. Like, it slicks down my hair so well. Look at how slick my edges look, right? This right here is the product that gave me these results with my edges. You almost not even believe that my hair is natural, right? It makes my hair look almost relaxed. Let me come close again for you guys to really, really see what I'm talking about. See how flat my hair laid down. Anyway, the item I'm talking about is this, my Got to Be, let me see if it's going to focus, right? This Got to Be ultra glued styling gel. It says here it's just for edges, right? I believe it's not supposed to be used all over your hair. It's just for your edges, and trust me when I tell you, this ish is the ish. So if you don't have it in your stash when it comes to your hair, make sure you grab one. So far my hair likes it. It hasn't given me any bad results when it comes to sticking down my edges and all of that. I really, really love it. Something else that I use on my edges that I don't have right here with me, because yeah, I already ran out of it basically, is this gel. It's called let me see, can I remember the name now? Goldwell US. I'm going to link a picture of the gel I'm talking about. That gel is the only, apart from this Got to Be glue, that's the only gel that has given me strong hold when it comes to slicking down my hair and my edges in general. Goldwell US, I'm going to link the picture here for you guys to see what I'm talking about. That gel is the bomb, okay? It's the bomb. It's so good. It's so fantastic with slicking down your edges. So just in case you're in the, and I think I've not seen it here in Nigeria. When I got it, it was someone that was in the US that bought it, and I had the person bring it here for me. So yeah, I've never seen it in Nigeria. I don't know if you can get it in Nigeria, but in the US, I'm sure you can get it on Amazon, because then I got mine on Amazon. So yeah, that's something you should really, really look into if you are looking to, you know, get something that's going to really, really help slick down your edges and your hair in general. That's something you should grab. The last thing here is not really a gel, but it's something that I started using recently, and you guys should know the story around this thing is kind of funny, because I mean, we all know of the lady with the glue issue, right? But no, this is no shade or anything. This item actually is really, really fantastic, and I'm talking about this Got to Be glued spray. And this is not, it's not a gel or anything. So I like to go over my, like my head weight is now, I went over it with this particular item, right, just to give me a better hold with my hair. You're not supposed to use too much, just a little spritz here and there all over your hair is fine. You don't have to, you know, go intense with it basically. But this right here is a fantastic thing you should have with you if you're looking to slick down your fussy natural hair. And I should also state that with gels, it's not something you want to use too frequently, right? I love gel and everything, but I found that when I use it too frequently, it makes my hair really, really weak. So yeah, just keep that. If you are into using gel and you use it all the time and it doesn't have any effect on your hair, that's fine. But I'm speaking for myself now. I don't like to use gel too often, and even when I use it, I try not to make it last more than 5 days, right? After 5 days, I have, no matter how nice the hairstyle looks, I usually have to go wash my hair, because it has a way of just weighing down your strands and weighing down your hair. But yeah, it is what it is, right? I love gel. I like to use gel in my hair, but I always make sure I don't let it stay for too long. So yeah, that's pretty much it with my favorite gels. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up so I know you enjoyed watching. And if you also have any favorite gels that I didn't mention in this video, please leave it in the comment section. I'm also looking to try new gels, right? Because yeah, as the gel lover that I am, I'm open to trying new gels basically. So please leave your comments down in the comment section. If you're still watching me currently and you're yet to be subscribed to my channel, why? Please smash the subscribe button and join the family. I'm not going to talk too much. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button, okay? I'm on my way to 500 subscribers, like I've been telling you guys, and I need your help with achieving that milestone on my channel. So please do well to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget that bell notification right beside the subscribe button. I usually post videos twice every single week, so yeah, it's nice for you to tap that bell so you don't miss out on any of my content, okay? My future contents or the previous. So just hit the bell notification. That's the point of all that my grammar, okay? Hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any one of my other videos. All right, guys, now that we've come to the end of the video, don't just leave. I have other videos, okay? I have a ton of videos on my channel, so make sure you go ahead to check 1 or 2 out. I'm going to have some links by this side. Okay, let me shift for you to be able to see what I'm talking about. Let me shift my chair. So yeah, go ahead and click either one of these two. This is a playlist and this is a video. So go ahead and click any one of these two. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.